The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall skilla. You say when you go to there, like tell people say your name what?
Kartel.
Why?
Because they don't like it, because Kartel a mark of the bees.
Mark of the what?
Mark of the bees.
And the what?
You come like that, you think me bad one time?
Who say me bad?
One time.
A mark of the what? Mark of the what?
Mark of the bees.
Hey!
You see what tattoo the funny man body.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm presenting these videos to you because they are being talked about on social media. You see? I'm also presenting these videos to you so that you can take a look at these videos. You can tell me what you think about these videos and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, I just presented to you a video that's out on social media that shows a person who mentioned the Kartel and said something about mark of the beast or mark of the bees. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering if the person was actually talking about Vybz Kartel, and I'm wondering if the person said mark of the beast or mark of the bees. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about that video. You can let me know if you think the person was talking about Vybz Kartel, and you can let me know if you think the person said mark of the beast or mark of the bees. Alright? Let me know what you think about that video. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show persons on top of a moving garbage truck. In my point of view, the garbage truck was being driven by a person while these persons were on top of the moving garbage truck. You see? Now viewers and subscribers, if you listen to this video, you're going to hear persons talking in the background of this video. And according to some things that those persons who were talking in the background of the video said, I get the understanding that they said that those persons who were on top of the garbage truck had KFC. You see me? And for some reason or some reasons, many comments have been made about this video on social media. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think about this video. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
KFC bang joke. That legacy.
Yeah, KFC back a chicken. The money look for the KFC chicken.
That legacy, man. Now the boss your book. I tell my boy so.
Bob.
Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, I think that anyone can buy KFC. You see me? As long as you have your money, you can buy a KFC. But however, I am worried about the sanitary situation that this video shows. You see me? And in my point of view, I do not think it is wise for anyone to be eating food while handling garbage. You see me? I don't think it is even wise for anyone to be eating food while they're close by garbage. You see me? Especially such a large amount of garbage or so on. You understand? And I'm not trying to be disrespectful to anyone. You see me? I'm saying these things out of concern. You understand? Wash your hands before you handle your food. You see me? Make sure your hands are very clean. You see me? Do the necessary steps to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19 and other viruses. You understand? Yeah. Do the necessary things to protect yourself from germs and try and do things the best way to protect yourself or to maintain a good health. You see me? Alright. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. You see? Now, the next video that I am going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a motor vehicle that was traveling somewhere within the world. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where this video had been recorded. But however, according to something that had been said on social media about the video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that the video shows a public transportation vehicle that was being driven by a person, and the wheels of the public transportation vehicle were not properly aligned. You see me? Some of the comments that have been made on social media about the video gave me the understanding that some person said that the bus a crab walk. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can also let me know what you think. Alright? Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Viewers and subscribers on a reel, me don't even know what to really say about that video, right? The video is out on social media and it's being talked about on social media. You see me? The bus really look how like it a travel in a sideways thing though. It look away. To each and every motorist out there, please be sure that your motor vehicle is up to the road traffic code. You see me? Check your motor vehicle, make sure the brakes are working, and make sure that everything is okay with the motor vehicle. You see me? By doing these things, you might be saving your own life as well as others. You understand? So do the necessary checkup on your motor vehicles and see what's going on. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And this piece of video is going to show a female who sells coconuts and other things on the roadside somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see? In this piece of video that I'm about to present to you, you're going to hear someone talking in the background of this piece of video. And if you listen to some of the things that have been said in this piece of video, and if you look at this piece of video, you might get an understanding as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this video had been recorded. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm also presenting this piece of video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this female said. Alright? I respect this lady. I respect her. You see me? I respect the fact that she's doing a business for herself. Right? I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You see me? And you can also let me know what you think. Alright? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Get your wash hand. Right here, she's just handling her stuff, throwing in. What? Whoa, she flip it. Guess what? I get in her nervous today, you know. But guess what? You know, she didn't expect me, guys, so I just came on board here. But this is not normal, not regular. You see somebody handling a machete like that, you gotta come to St. Elizabeth and Manchester to find this type of a woman. They're hardworking, you know. And guys, I don't want you guys to even look over this side, okay? And she'll tell you her story, because in 2020 her stall was burnt down, that I've learned, and she's determined not to allow that to stop her from doing what she's been doing. So with that, we're gonna have her tell you her story as she pour. So I'll just tell you, it's at the foot of Spur Tree. As I said, going on to Gutters. If you're coming from Mandeville, it's going on to Gutters. And as you can see, she have her customers. And she's just doing her thing, doing her business as usual. This is my first stop here, guys, and I just want to tell you, customer service is great. So, just going to take it over to Hustler Babes. Tell us more about you and your stall or your business here, and what happened, you said, last year.
Okay, if you come here, sometimes you come here, you might see somebody else. But whenever you're passing here, if you come here and you see me, I am one of the most pleasant person you can find anywhere on the road. I have great customer service whenever you come here. I always greet you with a smile. Yeah, even on my worst days, I always greet my customers with a smile. And yeah, I am loved by so many because if I'm at home, I'm still making money because people will call me on the phone and say, Harry, I'm coming down the hill, XYZ, I'm going to need a coconut, I'm going to need a melon. And if I have somebody stay here, I just can phone them and let them know that someone is coming to get something at the start, so just prepare it until they come here. Anyhow, my stall has been burnt down in April of last year. Yes, and I mean burned down flat to the ground, everything burned, everything, and I had goods in the shop also, and everything burned right to the ground, and that never really stopped me anyhow. I bounced back, and yeah, I'm still here, so yeah, I give God thanks because He not stop blessing me, and it doesn't matter what wicked people, the bad mind people do, them just can't stop me, because since they have burned down the start, this thing has been very, very good for me. It has been better. Yes, it has been better because, you know, on my phone here, I have this photo on my phone. This photo on my phone right here. Dozens of people have seen this picture all over the media. Yes, and this picture let's come here just to support my business, because they come and they say, girl, I see the picture all over social media, so I had to come here and give you a support.
Viewers and subscribers, I respect this lady. I respect her. See me? Yeah, I respect what she's doing. You see? Big up and respect to this female. You see me? Wow. Alright, viewers and subscribers, now let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch.